हेलो एवरीवन, हम 80 WPM पे डिक्टेशन लिखेंगे. सो गेट रेडी. स्टार्ट. द प्रेजेंट अपील हैज़ बीन प्रेफर्ड अगेंस्ट द जजमेंट ऑफ conviction dated 14/12/2020 passed by learned additional sessions judge Bhojpur in special case number 18 of 2019 arising out of town police station case number 177 of 2019, whereby the appellant has been convicted for the offences punishable under section 376 of the Indian Penal Code and section 4 of the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 stop. The appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 10 years and fine of rupees 30,000, and in default of payment of fine to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 year stop. In view of section 42 of the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 and considering that the punishment prescribed under section 376 of the Indian Penal Code and section 4 of the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 are substantially overlapping, the sentence has been directed to be imposed only under section 4 of the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 stop para. The prosecution case, as per the first information report lodged by the victim informant, aged about 15 years, is that the appellant had befriended her approximately 2 months earlier in February 2019 stop. It is stated that on the pretext of marriage, the appellant provided the informant one mobile phone with SIM card having number for communicating with her stop. It is alleged that the appellant called the informant to his residence and forcibly established relations with her while also threatening her not to disclose to anyone stop. Thereafter, about 5 to 6 occasions, the appellant is alleged to have repeatedly established physical relations with the informant on the pretext of marriage despite her objections stop. Owing to such threats, the informant did not disclose the incident to her family members stop. The informant has further stated that when she went out of her house to purchase samosa, the appellant met her on the way and took her to his house, but the brother and sister of the informant reached the house of the appellant in search of the informant, and with the assistance of neighbors she was rescued stop. Thereafter, the informant along with her brother and sister went to the police station where the appellant was also produced before the police stop para. On the basis of the aforesaid written application of victim cum informant, Town Police Station case number 177 of 2019 was registered against the appellant for the offences punishable under section 376 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 4 of the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act stop. Upon completion of the investigation, charge sheet was submitted by the police against the appellant under section of the Indian Penal Code and Section 4 of the Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act stop. Thereafter, cognizance of the offences was taken by the learned special court stop. On the learned trial court framed charges against the appellant under section of the Indian Penal Code stop.